guys. This is my midnight routine. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Nababanat ang aking skin. Diba? Ito ay collagen mask. So, after 30 minutes, tatanggalin ko siya. Meron akong melasma dyan. So, kailangan kong gumamit ng melasma, guys. Ganda. Tapos, dito, kailangan ko dyan. Dito. Dito. Medyo magaspang dito. Pero tignan nyo, guys. Banat na banat. Diba? Okay, guys. Hirap ang mag-beauty rest. Itong ginagawa ko every other day. Not every other day. Every other night. At least once a week. So I work for duty again tomorrow. So I have to do this again. Hi guys. Good night everyone. Happy Sunday tomorrow.